In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a GitHub repository link. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to point someone directly to your code on GitHub without confusion. First, open your repository in a browser. Head to GitHub in any modern browser and navigate to the repository you want to share. You can get there from your profile or organization page, or by using the search bar if you have lots of projects. Make sure you're looking at the repository's main page, the one that shows the code, the file list, and the README. If you only want to share a particular branch or a specific folder or file, you can certainly do that. But to share the whole project, stick to the repository's homepage. This avoids sending someone to a narrowly scoped view that might not be what you intended. Next, copy the URL from the browser's address bar. This is the clean, human-friendly link that people expect to receive. It typically looks like github.com/the owner name/the repository name. Be careful not to copy links from places like the code dropdown, which are meant for cloning and can show SSH or HTTPS clone addresses that aren't ideal for simple sharing. Also, watch out for extra path segments. If you've clicked into issues, pull requests, or a specific commit, the address bar will reflect that. If your goal is to share the overall repository, navigate back to the main code tab before copying so the link lands exactly where you want your viewer to arrive. Finally, paste and send. Drop the link into an email, a chat, a project tracker, or any document where your collaborators will see it. When you share a public repository, anyone with the link can view it. If the repository is private, recipients will need permission to access it. Otherwise, they'll see an error page. It helps to add a short note with your link so people know what they're about to open. For example, mention the branch you're discussing or the area of the project you want reviewed. Most communication tools will automatically create a clickable preview, which makes it even easier for your teammates to jump in. That's all there is to it. Open your repository in the browser, copy the URL from the address bar, then paste and send. Keep it simple, double-check that you're linking to the right page, and your collaborators will get exactly where they need to go with a single click. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.